Connecting your NBN service to your Optus modem involves understanding a few key components: the WAN port, VLAN PPPoE settings, and sync lights. The WAN port on your Optus modem, like the Huawei HG659 or Netgear Nighthawk RS700S, is where you plug in the NBN cable coming from your NBN connection device. This port is the entry point for your internet signal. Your modem uses VLAN tagging to isolate different types of data traffic. Optus uses VLAN ID 100 for internet traffic. This configuration is usually automatic. PPPoE, or point-to-point protocol over Ethernet, is the authentication method NBN uses. Your Optus modem will need to be set up with Optus-provided credentials. Check the sync lights on your modem. A solid green light indicates a successful connection. If the light is flashing or red, it indicates a problem. Make sure this connection is secure and monitor your sync lights for confirmation. If your sync light isn't solid green, double-check all cable connections and ensure they are firmly plugged in. If issues persist, access your modem's admin interface, typically at 192.168.1.1, and verify that VLAN and PPPoE settings are correctly configured, or use the Optus app. Optus modems often feature AI diagnostics to help troubleshoot sync issues. If you're in a rural area using Optus's NBN fixed wireless, ensure your antenna is properly aligned. For high-rise apartments using HFC NBN, dedicated VLAN tagging prevents interference from multiple ISPs. If your Optus NBN connection is unstable, consider Optus's 5G home broadband as a backup during outages. Regularly update your modem's firmware to ensure compatibility with NBN's latest protocols. The Optus Ultra Modem series features built-in AI diagnostics for easier troubleshooting.